two matrices, so this will be Aij plus Bij. That is complete. I have taken the addition of these two matrices here. So that is, we know that we can multiply the given matrix by a scalar number. So it will be K into matrix, or I am writing this as Aij plus Bij. Okay. Now, since the scalar number is in multiplication with all the elements in the matrix, so I can write this as in matrix. In matrix, this K will be in multiplication with Aij plus Bij. Okay. So that is equals to, this will be multiplication with this Aij as well as this Bij also, because it is in matrix. So it will be in matrix K into Aij plus K into Bij. Okay. Now I have the addition of this number and this number in the matrix, so I can separate it. So it will be K into Aij, this matrix, plus K into this Bij. So that is, this is your A. So K into A plus K into B. That is equals to right hand side. Okay. So first property is K into bracket A plus B. K into addition of two matrices can be written as K into first matrix plus A into another matrix. Okay. Now let us take the proof of second. Proof of second. This K plus L into A. This will be equals to K into L. So that is K plus L into this matrix Aij. Right? So this is a number, K plus L is a number. So I can write in matrix also. So this will be K plus L into this Aij into Aij. Okay. So I can write this. This is a number with this number in the matrix. So that will be in bracket K into Ij, K into Ij plus L into Aij. So K into Aij plus L into Aij in the matrix. So I can separate it. That is K into Aij plus L into Aij. Okay. So that is K into, I can take this K as common. K into matrix Aij plus L into matrix Aij. That is Ka. This is your A. This is also A plus L into A. That is right hand side. So in this way we can do the proof of this K plus L. Sum of the two scalars into matrix is equals to first scalar number into matrix plus second scalar number into matrix. Okay. So these are the proofs of these are the properties of scalar multiplication of a matrix. Okay. Now take some examples. Let capital A is equal to, example, let capital A, you take any matrix, suppose capital A is equal to 2, 4, 3, 2. 2, 4, 3, 2. Okay. And capital B you take 1, 3, minus 2, 5. 1, 3, minus 2 and 5. Okay. And C also, C equals to, you take C also, that is minus 2, 5, minus 2, 5 and 3, 4. I have these three matrices. Okay. Find 3A minus C. Then find 3A minus C. A solution. we have to find the value of 3a minus c. So let us find out first of all what is 3a. As 3a minus c, and another is a minus b also. You take this is second, a minus b. These two purchase we have to solve. First of all, 3a minus c we will solve. What is 3a minus c? So as a equals to 2, 4, 3, 2. Therefore 3a equals to 3 into 2, 4, 3, 2. That is 3a equals to 6, 3 to the 6, 3 4 the 12, 3 3 the 9, 3 2 the 6. So this is your 3a. Therefore 3a minus c, this is equals to 3a is 6, 12, 9, 6 minus, what is your c? C is minus 2, 5, minus 2, 5, 3, 4. Okay, so that is equals to, this is the subtraction of two matrices. I can write this 6 minus 2, that is 6 plus 2, 12 minus 5, then 9 minus 3, then 6 minus 4, that is equals to 8, 6 plus 2, 12 minus 5, that is 7, 9 minus, that is 6, 6 minus 4, that is 2. So this is the value of 3a minus c. Okay, next we can find value of a minus b. A minus b, that is equals to, what is a? A is 2, 4, 3, 2 minus, what is b? B is 1, 3 minus 2 and 5. So find out. So a minus b will be 2 minus 1. Two corresponding elements we have to subtract. 2 minus 1, 4 minus 3, 4 minus 3, 3 minus minus 2, that is 3 plus 2, 3 minus minus 2, 3 plus 2. Then this 2 minus 5. Okay, so that is 2 minus 1, that is 1, 4 minus 3, that is 1, 3 plus 2, that is 5, and 2 minus 5, that is minus 3. So this is your a minus b. So in this way, we can add two matrices, we can multiply the given matrix by scalar number, and we can find the values. Okay, then next one, we take another example. Compute the following. Compute the following. Compute the following. Okay. A square plus b square. In first bracket it is a square plus b square. Okay. Then b square plus c square. B square plus c square. Then a square plus c square. Okay. Then you take another a square plus b square. Okay. Then plus in another bracket 2ab 2bc. 2ab 2bc. Then minus 2ac. Minus 2ac. And you take minus 2ab. Minus 2ab. You have to compute this. You have to find answer. You have to simplify this. Okay. So solution. We have a square plus b square plus c square, a square plus c square, a square plus b square plus, this is 2ab 2bc minus 2ac minus 2ab. Now we have to just add the corresponding element. So that is equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab, corresponding element. This plus this, then b square plus c square, b square plus c square plus 2bc corresponding element, then a square plus c square, then this minus 2ac, then a square plus b square, this minus 2ab. Okay, so this is equals to, we know that a square plus b square plus 2ab, that is the square of a plus b whole square. This is the square of b plus c whole square. This is a minus c whole square, a minus c whole square, and this is a minus b whole square. So in this way we can find this, we can compute this. Okay, next one, third number, compute the following. Compute the following. Compute the following. This is cos square x, then sin square x, again here sin square x, suppose, and here it is cos square x, plus you have to add these two matrices, sin square x, then cos square x, then you get cos square x and sin square x. Okay, add this. Solution. We have here cos square x, this is sin square x, then sin square x, this is cos square x. Okay, then plus this is sin square x, cos square x, and sin square x. You have to just add the corresponding elements. Since we are adding here two matrices, so this will be equals to sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x. This is also sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x. This is sin square x plus cos square x, sin square x plus cos square x, and this is cos square x plus sin square x, means sin square x plus cos square x. We know the identity sin square x plus cos square x, that is 1. So we get here 1, 1, 1, 1. So this is the answer of this. We can add in this way two matrices. Okay. Then take another. If A is equal to, suppose if A equals to, you take a matrix, suppose 1, 2, minus 3, 1, 2, minus 3, and second row 5, 0, 2, 5, 0, 2, suppose. Okay, and 1 minus 1, 1 minus 1, 1, 1 minus 1, 1. This is our first matrix, suppose B or A. Then take another matrix, B equals to 3 minus 1, 2, 3 minus 1 and 2, suppose. Then 4, 2, 5, 4, 2, 5, and third row is 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3. So these are our two matrices. I am taking one more matrix, C equals to, you take suppose 4, 1, 2, first row, 4, 1, 2. Okay, then second row suppose 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, 0, 3, 2, and 1 minus 2, 3, 1 minus 2, 3. So I have these three matrices here. Okay, now see what we have to find out here. Then compute A plus B, then compute A plus B, and second B minus C, B minus C, B minus C, A plus B और B minus C निकालना है हमको, ठीक है. Also verify, आपको वेरीफाई भी करना है कि A in bracket B minus c, a plus in bracket b minus c, a plus in bracket b minus c equal to this a plus b minus c. It means you have to find the value of left hand side here and right hand side. It must be equal. Then and then we can say that it is verified. So let us find out first of all a plus b. A plus b and b minus c are useful in here. So find out a plus b solution. A plus b equals to a is 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1. This is a plus b is 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3. Okay, so find out a plus b. A plus b 1 plus 3 that is 4, 2 plus minus 1 that is 1, minus 3 plus 2 that is minus 1, 5 plus 4 that is 9, 0 plus 2 that is 2, 2 plus 5 that is 7. Okay. The third row, 1 plus 2 that is 3, minus 1 plus 0 that is minus 1, 1 plus 3 that is 4. So this is your a plus b. A plus c. Okay, now find out b minus c. Now b minus c equals to b minus c, that is equals to, so you have 2 minus c, b is 3 minus 1 2 4 2 5 2 0 3, then minus c is 4 1 2 0 3 2 0 3 2 1 minus 2 and 3. So what will be b minus c? I got b minus c, 3 minus 4 that is minus 1, minus 1 minus 1 will be minus 2, 2 minus 2 that is 0, 4 minus 0 that is 4, 2 minus 3 that is minus 1, 5 minus 2 that is 3, 2 minus 1 that is 1, 0 minus 2 will be plus 2 and 3 minus 3 that is 0. Okay, so this is your b minus c. This is a plus b and this is b minus c. Now let us check this. We have to check that a plus in bracket b minus c equals to. So write a first of all. This is your 1 2 minus 3 5 0 2 1 minus 1 1. Then plus, what is b minus c? B minus c is minus 1 minus 2 0, 4 minus 1 3, okay, then 1 2 0. This is your a and this is your b minus c. You have to find out here b minus c. Now what is the value of this? That is 1 plus minus 1 that is 0, right? Then 2 plus minus 2 it will be 0, minus 3 plus 0, so it will be minus 3, okay? Then 5 plus 4 that is 9, 0 plus minus 1 that is minus 1, 2 plus 3 that is 5, okay? The third row, 1 plus 1 that is 2, 2 minus 1 plus 2 that is 1 and 1 plus 0 that is 1. So in this way we will find out the value of left hand side, this value. Okay. Now check for another right hand side. This is left hand side. Now right hand side. Right hand side, a plus b minus c. Finding right hand side value. A plus b minus c. That is equal to, what is a plus b? A plus b is 4 1 minus 1, 4 1 minus 1 9, 2, 7, then 3 minus 1, 4, then plus C. Oh, sorry, it is minus C. Then minus C. C is, oh, what was C? C is, I think, 412. 412, I think, first row. Then 032, 032, and then 1 minus 2, 3. 1 minus 2, 3. This was our C. So that is equals to 4 minus 4, that is 0. 1 minus 1, it is also 0. Minus 1 minus minus 2, that is minus 3. 9 minus 0, that is 9. 2 minus 3, that is minus 1. 7 minus 2, that is 5. 3 minus 1, that is 2. Minus 1 minus minus 2, that is minus 1 plus 2, that is 1. Then 4 minus 3, that is 1. So here see the value of A plus in bracket B minus C is this matrix, and value of A plus B minus C is also the same matrix. Both are same matrices. We can, this is 1 and this is 1, this is 2. Therefore, from 1 and 2 we can say that A plus in bracket B minus C equals to A plus B then minus C. So in this way we can verify by using these three matrices. Okay. Then take another question. Let A is equal to A equals to 2 by 3, suppose 1 and 5 by 3, 1 and 5 by 3. Then second row 1 by 3, 2 by 3 and 4 by 3. Okay. And third row contains 7 by 3, 2 and 2 by 3, suppose 2 by 3. This is for matrix A. And you take B 2 by 5, 2 by 5, and 3 by 5, 1, you take 3 by 5 and 1. Second row, if it is suppose 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5, 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. Okay. And third row is 7 by 5, 6 by 5, 6 by 5, and you take another element 2 by 5. 2 by 5. So these are our two matrices. These are given. Okay. Now what you have to do? Then compute 3A minus 5B. Then compute 3A minus 5B. This we have to find out. Okay. 3A minus 5B. So let us 3 into A. Okay. So 3A minus 5B. Solution. This is equal to 3 times A. What is A? A is 2 by 3, 1, 5 by 3, 1 by 3, 2 by 3, 4 by 3, then 7 by 3, 2 by 3. Then is minus 5 times 5B. 2 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 1, 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 4 by 5. Okay. Then 7 by 5, 6 by 5 and 2 by 5. So you multiply this. So this will be 3 into, you multiply each element of the given matrix by 3. So it gives me 3 into 2 by 3, that is 2. 3 into 1, that is 3. 3 into 5 by 3, that is 5. 3 into 1 by 3, that is 1. 3 into 2 by 3, that is 2. 3 into 4 by 3, 4. 3 into 7 by 3 7, 3 into 2 that is 6, 3 into 2 by 3 that is 2. Minus. Now you multiply this matrix by 5. 5 into 2 by 5 that is 2. 5 into 3 by 5. 5 into 3 by 5 that is 3. 5 into 1 that is 5. 5 into 1 by 5 that is 1. 5 into 2 by 5 2. 5 into 4 by 5 4. 5 into 7 by 5 7. 5 into 6 by 5 6. 5 into 2 by 5 that is 2. Now we have to subtract these two matrices. So this is 2 minus 2 0. 3 minus 3 0. 4 minus 5 minus 5 0. 1 minus 1 0. 2 minus 2 0. 4 minus 4 0. 7 minus 7 0. 6 minus 6 0. And 2 minus 2 0. So I am getting here 0 matrix. Okay. So in this way we can find 3a minus 5b also. Okay. Then last question. Find x and y. Find the values. Find the values of x and y. Suppose let a 2x plus 3y. This is given in the form of matrix 2 3 4 0. 2 3 4 0. Okay. And 3x plus 2y is given, and kx plus 2y, this is also given in the form of matrix 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 and minus 1 5, minus 1 and 5. Okay, you have to solve this. 2x minus 3y, it is given in this form matrix. 3x plus 2y, it is also in the form of matrix. Now you have to solve this. Okay. So let us solve this. We have to find the values of x and y. So we can use here the equating the coefficient method. Here it is 2x, here it is 3x. So I am multiplying this number 1 by 3, so it will be 6x. I am multiplying this number 2 by 2, suppose, so it will also be 6x. Okay. So solution. Multiply 1 by 3 and 2 by 2. Okay. So 1 implied, this is one number, so therefore 1 implied, this is 1. Multiply with this by 3, 6x plus 9y, this is 9y, I am multiplying by 3. So and this will be 3 into bracket 2 3 4 0, that is equals to 6, multiply with this, then 9, then 12 and 0. Therefore 6x plus 9y equals to 6 9 12 0. Let this is your number 3. Now I am multiplying this number 2 by 2. So if 2 by 2, this implies, so 6x plus 4y equals to 2 into 2 minus 2 minus 1 5, that is equals to 4 minus 4 minus 2 and 10. Therefore 6x plus 4y equals to 4 minus 4 minus 2 and 10. Okay, this is number 4, suppose. Now here number 3 shows that here it is 6x, here also we have 6x. I can subtract 3, I can take 3 minus 4, I can subtract 4 from 3. Therefore 3 minus 4 implies, therefore 3 minus 4, this implies, this will be 6x minus 6x means it will be 0, 4y minus, this 6x minus 6x 0, 9y minus 4y, that is 5y. 5y equals to, right hand side of 3 is 6 9 12 0 minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 and 10. Therefore 5y equals to, take subtraction, 6 minus 4 that is 2, 9 minus 4 that is 13, okay, 9 plus 4, 12 minus 2 that is 14, and 0 minus 10 that is minus 10. Therefore, y equals to, take this 5 to the right hand side, it will be 1 by 5 into 2, 13, 14 minus 10. That is equals to, so 2 by 5 multiply with this matrix by 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 13 by 5, then 14 by 5, then minus 10 upon 5, that is minus 2. Therefore, y equals to 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. This is the matrix, 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 14 by 5 and minus 2. Okay, so in this way 5 into 5, that is 9 minus 1. Yes, correct. Okay, now let us find out x. What is it? So I can prove this value of y in any one of the equation. Okay, so here I am substituting this here, suppose 6x. Now 3 implies. Now 3 implies this 3. Put the value of y as this matrix. 6x plus 9 into y is 2 by 5. 2 by 5, this is 9y. Okay, 2 by 5, 13 by 5, 13 by 5, or 14 by 5, 14 by 5, and this is minus 2. Okay, so now find out this. So, oh sorry, 9 into y, it was equals to, okay, I have removed it. I am putting this in here because I have removed it. Okay, 6x, 4 implies 6x plus 4 into y, 2 by 5, then 13 by 5, then 14 by 5 minus 2. This is my y. 6x plus 4 into this y, that is equals to this 4, then minus 4, minus 2 and 10. Okay, so now solve this. Solve for x. Therefore 6x plus, multiply this matrix by 4. 8 by 5, this 8 by 5, this is 52 by 5, then 56, 4 into 14 by 5, 56 by 5, then this is minus 8 equals to, this is 4, then minus 4, minus 2 and 10. Okay, there. You take this to right hand side, 6x equals to, then this will be 4, minus 2 and 10, then minus, and this is plus matrix, it will be minus to right hand. 8 by 5, 52 by 5, then 56 by 5, then minus 8. Okay, so 6x equals to, take the subtraction, 6x equal to 4 minus 8 by 5, 4 minus 8 by 5, am I right? Okay. 4 minus 8 by 5, 4 minus 8 by 5, then minus 4 minus 52 by 5, then minus 2 minus 56 by 5, then 10 minus 8, that will be plus 8. Okay, therefore 6x equals to, I can write x also, x equal to 1 by 6 into bracket, 1 by 6 into bracket. Now solve this. 20 this is 1 minus 8 by 5. Okay, and this will be minus 20 minus 52 by 5. Okay, then this is minus 10 minus 56 by 5. Then this is 18. Okay, so equals to 1 by 6 in bracket. This is 20 minus, that is 12 by 5. 12 by 5. Okay, then this is minus 20 and minus 72 by 5, minus 20 minus 52. Then this is minus 66 by 5, and this is 18. Now we can multiply this 1 by 6. So it will be this 1 by 6 into 12 by 5, it gives me 2 by 5. It is 2 by 5. Then minus 72 by 5 into this thing. This is 12 by 5. It will be minus 6. 12 is 72. So minus 12 by 5. Okay. Then minus 66 by 5 into 1 by 6. So this will be this minus 66 by 5 into 1 by 6. So it will be 11 by 5 minus 11 by 5. Alright? Minus 11 by 5. Then 18 into 1 by 6, it will be 3. It will be 3. Okay. So in this way we can find the value of x. This is your x. And we can find out the value of y also. Okay. So thank you students. We will try other examples.